Earthquake.
Earthquake. Everything's moving a little bit.
Crazy.
It's actually really hard to film an earthquake.
It is.
I mean, really, because you're moving, and
That was a big one. I've never felt one that big there. Oh shit.
well, I mean,
Yeah, this is the end of Japan. Earthquake still continuing.
let's go out to the hallway.みんな大丈夫ですか? Okay.